Okay. So I want you to jog around the park do 5 laps around the park.
Yeah.
Nice and gently, just work on your running, alright?
Okay.
For a warm up, off you go.
Yeah.
Alright. Keep going, Roz. Just do 3 laps instead of 5. Build it up on this next one. Bit quicker. Build it up. Come on. Build it up, Ross. Keep going. I want it strong on the next lap. Come on, quicker. Keep going, Roz. Stop at this bench over here. Stop here. Do some dynamic stretches, so just get move the legs, get the legs moving. So like this. That's what works. Keep going. Keep it going. Yeah. Alright, so now, done some stretches. Now, you've got to do sprints and then walk back, alright, at 70%. Alright, so it's from this bit to the other, off you go. Oh no. Keep going. Ready, go. Don't. Time for school. Okay, go. Bit quicker. Do you want to join in?
Yeah, join in.
Keep going. So you gotta sprint and then walk back.
Why?
For school. Just mine.
So why's he doing that?
Because he's got to. Because I've got to film it.
Yeah.
Off you go.
What are you doing?
It's a school subject for me.
So you just gotta be, how many times does he have to do it?
He's got to do that. He's got to do the beep test twice.
Right.
Why can't you
Last one.
put him doing it?
Go. Because I'm a coach and I can do what I want.
Okay. I'll just watch him. It's funny.
No, it's for the beep test.
It's nice waves.
It'll be better this afternoon.
Nah.
Yeah. Because it's hard.
Sarcasm! God, is
Can you-
anyone
what's
not
your phone
on
password?
sarcasm? No.
Set that up for me.
I do nah. I do that and I say no. That's sarcasm.
Is it on?
Yeah, that was your fault.
that's your
I was gonna go do two, but no, no.
We don't have
I was really pissed when I found out. Let's go over, stand over in that nice room thing.
Can you put Bluetooth
Near the
You
car.
guys get into that. I'm kidding.
on? Hold this. And I'm just to tell them what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm just setting up the beep test for the next exercise. So I'm just setting it all up. Where are we looking? Where are we looking? Bluetooth. This is taking a while. Alright, get ready.
Okay.
It should be working in a minute. Hold it again.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds.
Alright,
Ready?
and when you hit a beep,
Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4. Level 1, 5. Level 1, 6. Level 1, 7. Start level 2.
so now this is level 2. Wait for the beep.
Level 2, 2.
Okay, so when it says level 3, that's when you
Level
run,
2,
alright?
3. Level 2, 4. Level 2,
Keep
5.
going.
Level 2, 6. Level 2, 7.
So on the 3 you go, alright?
Level 2, 8.
Or not?
Start level 3, 1. Level 3,
It's getting quicker, so you're going to put more effort into it.
level 3, 3. Level 3, 4. Level 3, 5. Level 3, 6. Level 3, 7. Level 3, 8. Start level 4, 1.
Keep
Level
going.
4, 2.
Keep this pace, it's good pace.
Level 4, 3. Level 4, 4.
Keep it up.
Level 4, 5. Level 4, 6.
Keep going, Ross.
Level 4, 7.
Just start getting quicker.
Level 4, 8. Level 4, 9. Start level 5, 1.
Come on, keep building.
Level 5, 2. Level 5, 3. Level 5, 4. Level 5, 5. Level 5, 6. Level 5, 7. Level 5, 8. Level 5, 9. Start level 6, 1.
So it's gonna be getting quicker now.
Level 6, 2. Level 6, 3. Level 6, 4. Level 6, 5. Level 6, 6. Level 6, 7.
Try and get to level 8, Rory. Keep going.
Level 6, 8. Level 6, 9. Level 6, 10. Start level 7, 1. Level 7, 2. Level 7, 3. Level 7, 4. Level 7, 5. Level 7, 6. Level 7, 7.
Yeah.
Level 7, 8. Level 7, 9.
Keep it up.
Level 7, 10. Start level 8, 1.
It's gonna get
Level 8,
quicker.
2. Level 8, 3. Level 8, 4. Level 8, 5. Level 8, 6. Level 8, 7. Level 8, 8. Level 8, 9. Level 8, 10. Level 8, 11. Start level 9, 1. Level 9,
Alright, you're
2.
done.
Alright, go.
How do you stop this?
Level
Good work. Alright, so now
Yep.
you've got to do sprint, walk back 10 times, 70%. Alright?
Hey, can I have a minute?
Yeah. I'll tell you when. Got a little cheer squad, Rory. Alright. 30 more seconds. Alright. Come on. Ready. Go. Go. As soon as you get back, go for the sprint, alright? Rory, as soon as you get back, go for the sprint. Go. And go. Walk back. And go. Go. 2 more. One more after this one. Then we got the beat test again.
Then what's after that?
Another one of these, but it's only for 5, and then it's a cool down. Alright, walk back. Now it's time for the other beep test. Get yourself ready. So now we're going to start the beep test. Ready? Just listen.
Face the speaker up, because it's hard to hear it.
What's your password?
Huh?
Never mind.
9.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready.
And go. Oh no, it's beep time. Go.
Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4.
Don't leave until the thing goes.
Level 1, 5. Level 1, 6. Level 1, 7. Start level 2, 1. Level 2. Level 2, 3. Level 2, 4. Level 2, 5. Level 2, 6. Level 2, 7.
Keep going.
Level 2, 8. Start level 3, 1. Level 3, 2. Level 3, 3. Level 3, 4.
Keep going.
Level 3, 5. Level 3, 6. Level 3, 7.
Tired.
Level 3, 8. Start level 4, 1.
Keep going.
Level 4, 2. Level 4, 3. Level 4, 4. Level 4, 5. Level 4, 6. Level 4, 7. Level 4, 8. Level 4, 9. Start level 5, 1. Level 5, 2. Level
Keep
5,
going.
3. Level 5, 4. Level 5, 5. Level 5, 6. Level 5, 7. Level 5, 8. Level 5, 9. Start level 6, 1.
Yep, stop.
Level 6, 2.
Okay. So now we're just going to do 5 quick sprints and then walk back and then stretch, slow jog and then stretch, alright? Alright, off you go. Go.
Can I sit down?
Not yet. You're almost done. Just do
How
these.
many of these?
5 at 70%, so that's not hard. Alright, go. So like keeping your heart rate up. Walk back. Go. 3 more. When you get here, turn around and go.
That's
2 more. Turn and go. One more. And go. Okay, now when you get back, just jog around the grass area. Alright?
How many times? Once?
Just once. Nice and steady. Ready? Off you go.
Do I go down there?
Nah, just stay in the grass. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, you're almost there. Okay, sit down on the grass right there, right there. Yep, yep. Alright, so,
In the shade?
no, sit on the grass. Just sit on the grass. Just in a bit of stretching. Alright. Stretch your leg out, try and touch your toes. Keep like that, yeah. Straight leg though. Yeah, there you go. It's a self-lightening touch. Do that for 20 seconds.
Both legs?
Nah, switch legs. And top legs. Keep your leg up straight, like when you do it. Keep your foot up straight. Try and grab. Yeah, just go there. Keep going. And then after that one, push down on your knees. Bring your feet up together. Feet up together like that, yeah. Push down on your knees. But just use your elbows. And then after you've done that, put one leg out front, over the top, and then pull that in. Swap legs. Do the same thing on that side, and then stand up and shake it off. And then we're done. Stand up and shake it off now. Stand up and shake it, not sit down. Shake. Okay, thank you.